Hey guys, once again, this is Andrew from Trash Talk, and I'm going to show you a quick how to go on your ads manager in the advanced setting and create your own ad based off the information that you would like. So what you would do is you would just kind of put facebook.com/ads manager/, and that'll take you straight to your account settings. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on create and just kind of select what you want to do, right? So let's just do maybe like, hmm, let's do like lead generation. We want to try to get people to purchase our product, right? Or to get more people to know who we are and give their information out to us so that we can contact them, right? So we'll do lead gen. You would just kind of like put your name down. So for example, lead generation. And then if this is going to be associated with like credit, employment, housing, you would put that information down. I'm not going to do that. And then, for example, for A/B testing, this is just kind of selecting like variables and then trying to see who's going to be paying attention. So for example, if you're trying to target two different states, both of those ads are going to be targeted with your ad, and you'll kind of see which one's going to be better, and then just kind of like pick and choose which one was more successful. I'm only going to be choosing my home state, which is going to be Texas. So we'll just kind of keep it the way it is. And then we're going to click on new ad set. So again, we could just like name this, let's see, lead pick gen. And then we're going to have like a method. So do we want people to, sign up? Do we want them to call us? Let's just keep it at forms. And then we're going to select the page that we want them to be linked to. So for my personal business, Redfish Media. And then, so say for example, like the budget, right? So we want to have the budget depending on what you're trying to do. So for example, for me, if I'm just going to be targeting within my state, I don't really need like that much money being spent. So we're going to drop it down to about like $10. And basically, the more people that you're trying to wrap in, the more you'll be spending. The less people, the less money. But if you're just trying to get like within like your city or state, $10 should be good. If you're trying to go throughout the whole entire like United States, for example, I would of course do more. You can also select the start time. So if you want them to, for example, be like, if you want the ads to stay up from say like maybe like Monday, and you want the ad to end like 8 p.m. Bam, like you could have the ad ending at 8 p.m. Or sorry, you could have it start at 8 p.m. Tomorrow, and then if you want it to end, you would just do the same thing. So say for example, I want it to end on Saturday, but I want it to end at 3 a.m. Bam. Now the ad is going to be starting at 8 p.m. on the 3rd and ending on the 8th at 3 a.m. And then you also have the option to select those locations that I mentioned. So for example, right now it's the United States. So we're just going to kind of select, let's just do like Texas. Oops. We'll do Texas. Keep the ages. So typically for ages, I recommend just kind of having like, if you're trying to target people to maybe like start like a business with you, I would select ages that are more than likely going to be doing that. So maybe like from 18 to like, let's do like 50, 18 to 50. All genders, demographics. Demographics are important because basically this is how you'll be grabbing their attention. So for example, with my company, I'm trying to get them to purchase my graphics, my graphic designing. So I would maybe put like graphic, bam, graphic design. And for example, if I'm trying to get people to see the ad, maybe I would do like anyone that is, let's see, I could do Facebook page admins for food, for etc. Maybe business page. So basically, anybody that has a business page that is interested in the interest of graphic design, they're going to see your ad. And then on the right, you're going to see um, just how many people you will actually be reaching in the state of Texas. So about like 4 million. So that's super broad, right? So what we'll do is we'll kind of like just add at least like 12 to 15 of these just so that way it's like more consistent and more precise rather than just kind of targeting anybody. And then if we want to have our ads placed in, say, like Facebook or like Instagram, right? We could basically target those people that are using the Instagram feed or the Facebook feed. Or if we want to target people that are doing like live streams, or maybe they have like a gaming thing and they want like a graphic for their game company, right here, InStream. Same thing with Instagram. And then the next thing, it's just gonna be more about like the video or image that we're trying to set up. So of course you would have it set up to your business page. And then if you want to link your Instagram account, you can. And then same thing if you want like a carousel or a single image, you would just upload those here with like the headline. And you could have like multiple photos or videos. Uh, and it's more up to you about how you want to do that. And yeah, just make sure that your ad has a proper setup. So meaning it has like a good pitch with like the who you are, what you're providing, and where you want to send them to, with the call to action option. So for example, if I want them to maybe subscribe to my channel for more information, subscribe. So I would do like, hey guys, subscribe to my channel for the latest tips, link below. So right here, I say like who I am, I say what I want them to do, and then I lead them where to go to. So right then and there, people are going to see those ads and then notice like, oh, hey, this is for me. So I'm going to go ahead and, reply to them because they have the information set up, right? And, this has like the preview of like what it would say and how it would be translated. And yeah, there's also like different ways to set up your leads. So there is this option to set up with Pixel. What Pixel basically is basically it's like a leads form generator. So whenever you want your ad to be seen and like clicked on, and say if they put that information in there, the Pixel is going to gather all that information and send it to you. So for example, if you want them to send like an email number and like a name, that information will be sent to you, and it'll also let you know what state and what city that they're in, and what like their interests are. So I definitely recommend looking at Pixel. And if you do want me to create a Pixel setup video, that's totally fine. But yeah, besides that, you would basically just publish. Of course, right now my ad is not ready to be set up because I didn't actually put anything in it. But yeah, that's basically the end of it. Well, thank you so much, guys. Have a good one.